Hi, this is Marty Dougherty from the Dougherty Garden. We're starting another video with my new headset and see if it comes out a little clearer like the other one did. And what we're looking at is called the walking iris. I don't know if you really can see it, but I'll try and explain it to you. What happens is that the iris, after it blooms, the stem, literally, this little puppy here, will literally fall down. In the process of falling down, they call it walking. What happens is this little shoot over here, as you can see, you can literally break this off in the plant. And in the case, I'll show you one that's over here. We'll just go in the back. That was the other plant in the back over there. And as you can see, this one to the right, that is a result of one of the, I forget, it's almost like not like a bulb, but it's just basically like a plant that's ready to survive on its own. And I just caught a few seeds on the top of the plant. So let me just take a shot of that too at the same time. Basically, here we go. Let me get a little closer over here, Marty. You're getting bit by mosquitoes. The damn water was raining here. All right, those are seed pods also, so we got two babies going on at the same time. So that little puppy will open up and drop seeds over here, and it also was one of the plants that's a very good survivor, because in addition to that, it'll drop this little pup. It dropped, imagine, it would be last year sometime, and now it's ready to do the same thing and return the favor. That's what they call walking irises. It basically, here's a good prime example over here. You see the ones, I guess, I don't have the proper botanical term for it, but basically as you see, it bends from the weight, and the weight will drop that lower portion and it'll fall off, and it literally snaps off at the base over there. And as soon as it snaps off, within days, it will develop a root system and develop roots and just dig into the ground where it lays. This is one of the areas where I have it, and I'm going to take you in the back of the garden over here, where I have the mother plants when they first started in the Dougherty Garden. And here we have a ton of them. So if anybody's in the buying mood and they got deep pockets, I'm sure a list can supply. But as you can see here, this is Mama. And she's got a ton of babies getting ready. I'll search out and see what the legal name for the little device that drops them. But there should be a name for the stem itself. As you can see here, the stem itself, and the 1, 2, 3, 4 puppies on it. And there's like another term. Here's more. As you can see, the seed pods back there. There they are. See, so prominent. And those are ready for dropping down. He'll drop just below the surface here. Let me see if I can show you one that's really already attached. But most of these plants down here are from the other. Well, here. Here's a prime example of the ones dropped down about a year or two ago. And here they are right here. So there's literally about 30, 40, 50 different plants can be coming out here soon. Pardon the weed. That's my teddy bear palm tree. I'll give you a little credit. I got that from my little granddaughter, so she loves her teddy bear palm tree. But there they are. Thank you for visiting the Dougherty Garden. Should you have a desire for a walking iris, let me know. Make me an offer I can't refuse, and I'll mail them to you. Bye-bye.